I'm gonna make bulgogi today. The meat that I'm gonna use is beef loin from Costco. It's relatively cheaper than other meat because it's choice grade. Sometimes it's sliced like this for shabu shabu. If you see one, don't hesitate to buy it. I'm gonna make soy sauce first. 50 milliliters soy sauce, 25 milliliters agave syrup, 25 milliliters mirin, 50 milliliters water, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, black pepper, £1 beef loin, soy sauce, the point is to take off each and every piece so that the seasoning is soaked well in the meat. Marinate for a day. Put some cooking oil on it, yellow onion, green onion, Thai shiitake, If you are a foreigner, make sure to try bulgogi yourself. You'll never be disappointed. I guarantee you. I hope you enjoy.